Jesus got seven. How do seven loaves and some small fish feed 4,000 men in the wilderness? But we notice something here. Jesus took it and glorified God again. Jesus took it and glorified God. So praise and thanksgiving brings multiplication. When we praise, when we give thanks, it multiplies things as well. Amen. When we give thanks, this is small. They could have been saying, oh God, we don't have anything to give them. This is the only thing we have. It's insignificant. It won't help anyone. They could have been complaining. But Jesus gave thanks and he multiplied. Thanking God adds more blessings and favor. Let's look at another example.